It's time to share your chips with your audience. So you won't want to share this one, as this is the back end of Chipp that only you can see. You want to go to the Share tab for this. And there are 3 types of options for sharing your chip. The first one is sharing the URL for your actual chip. And as you can see, they get access to a full page version of Chipp and they can use it here. The second version is a bit more complex. This requires you to have some kind of a website or a place to embed your chip. I will show exactly what this can look like in a second. So an iframe is essentially an embed code that you can copy and paste on your website builder. Let me show you how this can look like so that you can get an idea of what we mean. This page, we have 4 different chips embedded on this one page. The amazing thing about embedding iframes on your site is that you get to decide the size, you get to decide the context, how it looks on your site. The third option is the widget. So what do we mean by a widget? Again, we're still talking about the exact same chip, so it's the same functionality, the same thing you built here, the same thing you were able to modify and edit in here. So we go to share, we go to widget, and again, for this you need a website or another place to embed this widget in. So you just copy the code, go to your website builder and add it in. But what does it actually look like? What is the difference between a widget and an iframe? As you remember, these are the embeds we have. But where is the widget? It's here on the bottom right, exactly the same as the previous ones as a functionality. So it's the same for languages scan here as it is here. But in here it's in a widget format, in here it's an embed format. So as you can see, this one is great, for example, chatbots, anything that might answer questions across your website for your users. Or if you just want to have something that everyone can access on all the pages of your website, always have it here on the bottom right corner. That is the perfect place for your widget.